Okay, am I clearly audible, guys? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir.
Quickly confirm in chat.
Sir.
By the way, people
Yes, sir.
who are
Yes, sir.
attending
Yes,
this
sir.
session online, let me tell you, this is a series of lectures will be there where you have to get habituated to something. First, if you have joined from mobile, please immediately switch to the laptop or a desktop. Don't attend this session from mobile. You will not be able to enjoy. One. Second reason, if you are joining from a laptop or a desktop, ensure you need to be keep on responding along with me, because in the entire session I'll be keep talking to you. I'll be asking questions to you. I expect you to say yes or no, or if you don't know something, you type DK. If you want to type yes, don't type YES space SIR. Y is enough. If you want to say no, say N. That is enough for me. So did you all understood? Will you type only Y for yes? Yes or no? Quick response. Padafat. Everybody quick, and responses should be lightning fast. I'll be keep looking at your responses. Since I'm audible, everything is clear. Thank you very much for all the online students for interacting, as well as all the offline students. Good afternoon, everybody. Once again, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody.
Sir. Good afternoon.
Had lunch. Everybody.
Sir.
This is it. Guys, tomorrow onwards, have a little just to survive. Don't eat till neck and come into the class and please, for God's sake. Can I say good afternoon, everybody?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Day
Good
by
afternoon,
day,
sir.
increase for yourself also. By the way,
Good afternoon, sir.
looks pretty weird, whatever
Good
is happening.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Honesty. Yes or no? Who is this fellow? Enter to the class. What all he wrote. And is it the expectation I should understand this much big code day one? Nothing like that. Relax and chill. Get in, buddy. Are you come on? Get into your own class whenever you want. Come. Come. If you are comfortable, walk it. This is good. Arams, have a seat. Okay, we are good to go. Great. Let me start the class finally. So I'm Arun Kumar Ganiger, our technical trainer at V Stand for the Solution. And I'll be taking your class at this time for specifically Java. Multiple technologies are there which you're going to learn during these classes. I'll be your instructor for the Java classes. For the hello. I'll be
Yes,
your
sir.
instructor for the
Yes, sir.
yes,
Audible, sir.
Madam Logesh and Madhulata, I'm asking a question. I'll be an instructor for yes.
Yes, sir.
For which
Yes,
technology?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Java. Perfect. Okay, guys. Relax. When we have time, we'll get back to the study mode before anything else. One thing, did you feel like pretty weird? Usually anybody comes and start their introduction and then what is all this written? Understood everything, sir. Anybody? Ask anything, sir. I understood everything. No, that is I'm not expecting. The only thing is this is nothing but whatever is written. I'm sure you can get it out. That is nothing but your syllabus of the your learning, whatever you're here. Am I right? Agree? Few things you might have heard about, might not know everything about it, but tell me, I'm sure few things you might have heard. Say, for example, heard? Agree, na? Pakka? And say something like heard few words at least. Heard? See, the point is I'm a technical person and I would like to interact with the students in a most technical way possible. Okay, so I could have shown you a nice Dinchak banner, so much of glitter and that. Straightforward deal, boss. I'm a technical trainer and my job started the moment I entered into the class. For this batch, I'll be your Java instructor and making you super confident in Java before you get into your room is my job. Day by day, it will happen. And there is no expectation, whatever is written on the board, you understand everything. as of now.
Oh,
But wait for a few days. Let me complete a topic, object orientation. That day itself I'll discuss. Same program. Let's see how many of you don't understand. How many of you don't understand? That is my challenge. You don't. You just relax and walk along with me. Have a seat. Am I clear?
Yes. Clear.
clear.
Now, wait. Once again. Pop.
Yes.
Moving forward. By the way, what
Yes,
is the
sir.
reason we all are here today?
Yes, sir.
To learn Java. Okay, okay. Learn Java to do what? I learned Java. Next. Get yourself. Okay. Upskillment happened, sir. Now I'm little highly skilled person. Next. I have done graduation. I am the highly qualified person already. For what? For product development. And somewhere I like this word. I hope this is visible. Let me write job. So are you here for the job? How many
No,
of
sir.
you are also here for the job? Hello? Hello?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So some other expectation? Nahi na? Pakka? Hands down. How about you guys? Type I in chat if you are also interested for the job. You are here for the job. Am I right? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pop.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How about okay. And
Yes, sir.
upskill. Just upskill. Devashish, I want the best skills. After that, okay. Can I say everybody's intention is clear? Your intention to get the job, our intention to get the job to you. Am I right? That sync is there between us?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
moving forward. Consider somewhere here you are. Visible? Yeah. Suppose this is the with a cute smile. You are the person. Agree? Yeah, consider at least. Come on. Okay. By the way, what do you think? Ideally, your path should be, as of now, I don't consider that you learned everything and you know everything, whatever is required you to get the job. I consider this point. You might be from computer science background, you might be from non-computer science background, then might have MCA, post-graduation, or might not have done it. But I believe all of us, whomever are there, online, offline, all of us are at least graduated or about to get graduated. Anybody? I'm still in 10th or 12th or something. Online? Anybody? Yes, no, yes, no. Come on. Arey, do I have to keep this reminding you? Come on. Yes, no, fast.
No, sir. I am
Quick,
graduation.
quick. Perfect. Nobody is there. That is what the expectation. Expectation is all graduation, everything is done. You might have completed or you're about to complete. 1 or 2 backlog. Chalega. Anybody? Even if you're there, it's okay. By the time you get the degree, you should be ready for the job. That's all. Am I right? If you already have a degree, great. You're in the right place. So I'll be the instructor helping you learn Java right from the scratch. Considering you have,
Yes, sir. I have the
you
degree.
have no idea about what is Java. Or shall I consider half of the things you already know it? Shall I move to the direct? No, if you know something, sir, I know, ask anybody. Even if you're there, wait for a few days. You will only get to know that. But I'll be starting right from the scratch, and one by one, we will move forward, ensuring that you become a proficient person who knows the skills pretty well. I guess then only you're gonna get the job. Are you getting my point? Suppose you are somebody who has no idea about programming at all. Am I clear? And if
Yes,
you
sir.
have to get the job, miracle will happen, automatically you'll get the job like this. Yes, no? Then you have to do something. Agree? You have to do something.
Yes,
What?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Update our
Yes, sir. I agree.
skills. Then coding skills. Basically programming, coding. Agree? Am I right? Everybody?
Yes, sir. Right.
And do you agree if you have to learn something best way? I'll ask few of the options. You tell me which one is the best. Watching somebody do. one option. You say, for example, I want to learn swimming. What do I want to learn? Pakka. And do you think I can do it? With a little belly fat. Little, na? Agree? Okay. Consider I want to learn swimming. Two options. First, I'll watch somebody swimming and I'll become swimmer. Okay, I'll give you a second option. I'll go to YouTube, watch some 2-3 hours of video tutorials, how to become a swimmer. I have watched more than 10 videos. Now, do you think I'm ready to swim? Pakka? Ready? I'll pakka drawn. Then what should be the right way to learn swimming? Practice what?
Practice.
No, swimming. Pakka? Unless I learn, unless I practice, do you think I'll be able to learn? Yes or no? Come on. Last row as well. Louder.
No.
Online. Practical knowledge. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Yes, boss. Suresh. Absolutely yes. Why not? Actually, see, so many things are there. I didn't write everything. Else, board will not be that much, right? I have to have a supplementary board. That's the reason. Highlights I wrote. I hope that is clear, Suresh Kumar. T. Suresh Kumar.
Yes,
Is that
sir.
okay?
Yes, okay, sir.
Okay, great. So can I say, if you also have to learn programming, ideally you should watch the video. That is enough for you. Or come to the class, sit, automatically you'll learn. Is the right notion of thinking? Absolutely wrong. Agree? Ideally, you should be doing what? Whatever happening, topic by topic, concept by concept, you have to be start learning the class happening. No, after that, once I have learned the concept very well, then I should louder on daily.
Practice.
Once a blue moon I do, will I get the job? No, boss. You will learn the concept. If somebody asks you to type, I'll tell you, people, those who don't practice in interview, they actually see stars. You understand? They actually see stars in interview. Interviewer is look like, oh, some Devdut is sitting next to me, and tin, 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 twinkle, twinkle, that happens. Do you agree? Means you have attended some interview. Huh? Happens. And one of the best trick we have used in our college days, by heart the program and go to the interview. Because interview will ask only 5 program. 6 program if you ask, matash. And we all have done it. I know very well. We have by-hearted the programs and went for our internal or external vivas. We all have done it. Pakka. Now it cannot happen. Let me tell you one thing very clear and strictly. Open your ears and listen very, very carefully. It's not going to happen now. In Bangalore, you consider thousands of people are there, those who are aspiring to become an IT guy. Every year, number increases. Am I clear? Competition is there, and they are not going to ask only 2-3 programs, which you can by heart. And for that, you have to have conceptual understanding in depth, and you should have done well practice on that. Then only anything going to happen. Do you agree? Everybody? Online folks, do you also agree? Quick.
Agreed, sir.
Quick response.
I agree, sir.
Perfect. Mandatory practice is required. And trust me, if you can wait, say for example, today is the first day, right? Wait for say somewhere 10 classes. Max 10 classes. Within 10 classes, I'll write a code. I'll write a code because see, I'll tell you why am I telling you this. Whenever I started learning programming for the first time, I have no issue with the programming. But the problem is, whenever I start doing something, perfect, sorry. So whenever I start typing a program, the moment I try to execute, lot of error comes there. I have no personal grudges with the programming. The only problem that semicolon does not work, sir. Am I right? And that semicolon missing is something we have seen our whole life during programming, if at all we have done. Agree? Pakka? And somewhere or other, can I tell you, if at all we are not so passionate about programming, if at all we are not so interested about programming, one reason, errors. Agree? We all have tried once or other either in your college lab or watching YouTube or some book you might have read. People from CSIS would have at least tried once. Agree? Pakka? Sir, I am from non-CSIS, but still I watched some YouTube video. The moment I try, nothing works. Same thing, whatever he wrote, I also wrote. For him, for me, can't have fish. Happens because of the errors. Agree? Give me just 10 classes. How many? I guarantee you, I'll write the code. You will tell, sir, it will work fine. This is the output. Second, I'll write the code. If at all there is a problem, you will tell, sir, this is the problem. Exact error. I repeat, exact error, dot to dot, you will tell. How many days? Louder. Open challenge. I repeat, open challenge. You don't miss a single class. First condition, don't miss a single class. Second condition, people, those who are online, guys, humble request, keep your phone on silent mode and keep yourself away from the phone. Because see, since all of us are graduate, in our life, only one mission is there. Anybody else is there? Some other mission? I have crores and crores of land at my home. I don't need anybody. Boss, you are in a wrong room. Let me tell you, you are in a wrong meeting. If you have no motto in your life towards the job, if job is not the first priority of your life, you are in a wrong meeting, you are in a wrong class. Right now, walk out. Better. Because I'm going to torture a lot. Torture a lot means so many lectures are going to come here. Then only you gain the confidence. I'm not literally going to torture you guys. Everybody, last rows. Smile, Ray. Little, mustaches. What's your name, da? Anna, smile. Very good looking guy, yaar. Smile little bit in between. Pakka, I'm not gonna torture, and you will enjoy the distances. 10 sessions, you will enjoy like anything. You will gain the confidence in such a way. Sir, no big deal. I know better than you, sir. Before I am ensuring you, I'll write the code. You will say, easily I can do it. I have the confidence. Crystal clear understand. But you should not bunk a class. Whatever task I give you, whatever task I give, please complete and come. And I am not gonna give a task which is literally like bringing moon to earth. I'll give you something which is doable for each one of you. Am I clear? Till the last row?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay then. And online folks, better please don't unmute. Please. You better
Yes,
keep
sir.
respond. I mean, consider our mode of communication will be text. You type it. I'll be keep looking at your chat responses consistently. Okay. Don't need to worry. And perfect. So can I say as of now, the gap between myself as a aspiring job engineer, whatever you say, the one who is looking for here job, and this is your job, suppose. This is the ultimate goal, and this is where you are right now having no idea about programming. Can I say at least one person is there in my batch who has no idea about programming? Has never done programming. Very good. Honestly, I showers. 2 people are there. Only 2 people, rest all are champions. Huh? Then, honest, see, if you tell I don't know programming, that means I'm very happy. I'll tell you fact. If you can do it, that means others also can do it. Am I right? Pakka? Is this clear? Okay, so moving forward, try to understand. Whatever is written on board is something which is not a rocket science. First, you accept the fact. It is not a rocket science. Reason I'm telling you why is not just this batch. I don't want to get into the details. Simple one. Every batch I have students from non-CSIS, CSIS, IT or non-MCA, non-BCA. Apart from them, I would say non-engineering background also. Neither ECE, EEE, mechanical, civil, forget. All non-engineering background. BCA, BCom, BSc, pharmaceutical. Fact I'm telling you, pharmaceutical. Along with pharmaceutical, I can tell you the textile engineering person also came. Chemical engineer has been my student. Agriculture, BSc agriculture, had learned programming. And in such a way, today, any B graduate in computer science, gold medalist, will think before talking to him about the programming, whatever concept we have discussed. It is something doable. Am I clear? Everybody? So whatever you're going to learn here is not a rocket science. The only problem is when we learn for first time, those who have learned might not have learned the right way. We'll do it. And what is the right way? Java is an ocean. You cannot drink the entire ocean first day itself. First day, there is no programming. Acha, what is this written then? This is all written just to make you understand that this is what is the syllabus. See what, sir, as a developer or as a person, you have to learn what? Backend, front-end, database, aptitude, soft skill. These are the things you must know. Then only you'll get the job. Agree? Agree? Details I'm not going, what all are there. We will discuss. Whole syllabus is there for that only. I have just listed down the syllabus for you. And as of now, what haunts us a lot, that is something, a nightmare for us, programming, I am sure will be your best friend before you get into the interview room. Hello? Do you feel that it will happen? Don't decide now. Wait for 10 days. 10 classes give me. Then you decide, sir, whatever you said, open challenge and all, now makes sense. I understood. I am confident about it. Else, we'll decide later. Am I clear? Shall I wipe the board? Before wiping, let me tell you, in between you as an individual person, those who are looking for a job, and your job, in between this, the entire team of We Stand For You standing between you. I repeat, entire team is standing for you. You need any problem, any issue, we are there for you. We stand for you, provided you really want to take a stand for your call, your career. If you are serious, if you are committed, definitely the best possible way can we help you, we'll try ourselves. On the behalf of the entire organization, I'm telling you, you have any problem, boss, we are there for you. Let it be understanding issue, sir, I didn't understand, everybody understood. I'll ensure that will not come at all, even if comes. Not just me, any other person who's there, everybody will stand for you, ensuring your problem will be fixed on highest priority of our life. Am I clear? Everybody, on the behalf of the entire team, I'm telling, because I know my team very well and how hard they work, how committed they are towards the goal, we know it. For you, it's just a job. But for us, I'll tell you the fact. One of the few months back, one of the students has got the job. She is the daughter of only one. I mean, she's the only one daughter in the family. Her father is a truck driver, and she has got the job of 6.5 LP within 1 month. I repeat, within 1 month. Dedicatedly, she worked hard, learned well, and today she is taking care of the family. Non-CSIS background, but was committed towards the goal. Every single day, every single task has to be done. If you have a commitment with yourself, whatever happened today, I'll complete, and then only I'll go to bed. Then yes, you're in the right place. If you're in a mode, I'll give a try. If it works, fine. If it doesn't work, my friend will complete, I'll copy paste. In a wrong room, boss. Magic will not happen. Today itself, I'm telling you, I am not a magician. I cannot make you learn unless you really want to learn. I can take you to the water, drinking or not, is it your hand, boss? Am I clear? No build up. You don't worry. I'll make you learn nothing. I'll explain. You understand, or whether you understood or not, you just tell me clearly. If you didn't understand, be absolutely frank and honest to yourself. Honest to yourself means every time I'll be asking, is that clear? Understood? Any doubt? Shall I move forward? You honestly be honest to yourself, and don't worry about anybody in the class. If you didn't understand, raise your concern. I'll explain once. Despite of that, I didn't understand, I'll explain unless you understand. Not once, twice, any number of times you didn't understand a single point, not just the entire concept, single dot also you didn't understand, which I have explained. Ask any number of times, I'll explain. Unless you understand, making you understand is my job. Don't worry about that. I'll do. I know how to do my job. I'm a person who has almost a decade of experience in training Java. First of all, I'll try my level best. None of you will have a single doubt. Am I clear? Despite of that, if you have a doubt, you raise your concern. What is the big deal? I'm not a Jyotishacharya to understand everything, whether you understood or not, right? You just tell, sir, I didn't understand. Just raise hand. You don't tell anything. Raise hand and I'll understand. There is a issue. I'll explain. With different example, different scenario, something or other, I'll do what? My headache. I'll take care. You be honest to yourself and don't hesitate to ask a doubt. Reason. If you didn't understand, let me tell you, in interview, that topic will be discussed for sure. Whichever topic you missed the class or you didn't understand, pakka interviewer will ask that only. This happens with many students. Humble request. If you didn't understand, raise your concern. I'll fix it. And don't hesitate. Reason. If you think, sir, somebody will laugh at me, then I'll take care of them. You and I, between us, there is no other. Nobody can make fun of yourself, because I am considering you have no idea about programming. From there, I'm starting. If you didn't understand something, making you learn is my job, and nobody can laugh at you. That I can. I repeat, is that clear? If you want to learn, you just need to raise your concern. Is that clear? Everybody? That's all. Once you understood everything, ensure go home. First thing you should do is to practice. Have your food, relax a bit, and ensure to get back to practice. Without practice, you should never ever, I repeat, you should never ever go to bed without completing the today's task. Today itself, tomorrow it will become double the challenge. People, I repeat, from the day one I'm telling, people, those who do today's practice today itself, they will enjoy like anything. They will be roaring in interview for sure. That I guarantee. Am I clear? There is no issue of lack of confidence. I'm scared. Anxiety. Nothing will happen. You will walk like a rock star in the interview. That I guarantee. Provided you practice on daily basis. And if you don't practice for daily basis, once a blue moon I come, once or twice I'll come to the class, or I'm attending the class online every day, but playing PUBG also along with that. Let me tell you, you also don't need to wait till the interview. Matter of few concepts, not few days, few concepts. Let me cover few concepts. You are 100% sure I am not understanding anything. Others, those who are practicing daily basis, attending all the classes, responding along with me, you will not have a problem. That I can. And no matter how genius you are, wait, Java is not that easy also. I hope you are agree. Agree, na? It will not come automatically, boss. You have to work hard. Let me tell you, this is fact and clear. Unless you put efforts, nothing gonna happen. But you don't need to literally work so hard. Daily, something which you can easily do it. Only that much will be happening. If you practice, confidence 100% guaranteed. If you don't practice, wait, after a few days, you will see stars in the class itself. Am I clear? Java is also not so easy. So basically, this is a journey where you're gonna climb the ladder day by day, and one fine day, you'll be able to crack the interview to get the job. Am I clear? Everybody, it's not gonna happen like you literally have your hands in pocket and la 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 la. Nah, it's not gonna happen. You have to work hard. You have to be very careful what question is being asked, how to answer, what not to say. Everything you have to be very cautious about. Am I clear? But if you follow my instructions and remember few basic tips which I'll be keep giving you, walking in interview will be like easy, having a piece of cake for you. That I guarantee. Am I clear? Am I clear? Online folks? Chaliye sir. Shall I wipe the board?
Yes.
Finally. Yeah, Logeshwari, I guess you wanted to ask something. Respond in chat, please. Screen not showing. Yes. Hold on. Shall I wipe the board now? By the way, I want a job. Am I right? All of you feel the same? I want a job. Which type of?
Yes, sir.
Ama chai, garma garam chai. Are you relating with me? Is that you want to become? Hello? Which type of job are you guys looking? Louder. Is that clear, or any job comes is fine for me? No, we have a watchman job in B stand for you also. Anybody? Pakka. What job do you guys want? Development of what? Bomb? Bomb development? Which development? Web development? Java application development? Or in a broader way, if I need to tell you? Perfect. Superset is nothing but the software development. Am I right? Everybody? How to do that? Shabash. Direct coding. Plan. Very good. Next. I love to listen that. Somebody. Coding practice. Okay. Chaliye. I'll write down something. I'm sure all of you, half of you at least, will be able to tell me what is the term I'm about to discuss now. Let's just quickly write it. Okay. I heard this term somewhere. SDLC stand for Software Development Life Cycle. Full for mine. Apart from me. Bhai, CSIS. How many of you are on CS branch or IS branch or MCA? Straight with proper. Doubt, with full shamelessness. Half of the people are there. Sir, we have done engineering and we know how we have done. If you are in my category, then I'll not ask, I'll further move. I know everything. Ask. Then I'm waiting, bro. You can at least make eye contact to me, guys. No problem. I understood. My juniors are the way we have studied. We have also studied this one. Don't worry. So, first thing as a learning, before getting into the programming and so on, basic thing is clear. Let's get that clarity first. All of us are here for looking for a job in IT. I mean, most popular jobs at a fresher level with zero experience, usually very good. I'll get back to you, buddy. Usually either the software development job, software testing job. Am I right? And do you also agree that development is pretty much wider? Opportunities are there compared to the testing. Day by day testing is losing the charm also. I mean, there was a myth, I would say, there was a misconception. If you don't want to do coding in life, get into the testing is a wrong concept. Let me tell you. Most popular tool of testing, Selenium built on Java. Without knowing Java, it will be a big deal for you to work on Selenium. I mean, after a couple of years, if you want to crack interview as a testing engineer, Java is there for sure. They will definitely expect few concepts. As a developer, if you are aspiring, then definitely you must know if you want to build a software application, there are few certain standard steps are there. There are few standard steps are there called SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle. Am I clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Development testing. A little issue is there.
Yes, sir.
Sai Ramakrishnan. All of you guys, please don't unmute yourself and respond, but respond in chat. That would be the greatest possibility. Okay? Consider our chat is the primary mode of concern. As you can see, many other people are responding yes, no, like Y or N. I expect you to respond. And let me remind you, not everybody is responding. Guys, you have to keep responding along with me. Okay? Chaliye, moving forward. What is SDLC all about? If I need to tell you in simple terms, if anybody who is willing to build a software application, it can be a web application, it can be a Android application, I mean mobile application or desktop application, whichever application you are building it. Ultimately, you have to do software development. Do you agree? Everybody? And when you are doing software development, there are certain standard steps which one must follow to meet with the industry standards. I mean, you should not build anything which you want. Something which everybody wanted, something which is standard, which everybody follows. We also need to follow the same. Am I right? Agree? What is that? Nothing but SDLC. Few phases of SDLC are there. Phase by phase happens. Let's get started. Shall I? Am I? Sir, first phase, what we are going to discuss is I'll give you ample amount of time. Don't worry. Stop writing, focus. That's enough for me. First, as part of SDLC, first activity what we are going to do is louder requirement gathering. Respond in chat as well, please. Requirement gathering. Okay, sir. Let me, and thank you, those who are responding along with me, requirement gathering also. Great help. Thank you, guys. Remaining, please. Panda is, what is the need of requirement gathering? Requirement gathering means what? Collecting the requirement. Am I right? Agree? Before we get into the technical discussion and so on, let's me give you one simple scenario which you can easily relate with whatever gonna happen now. Shall I give you? Consider a scenario like, suppose I'm a bit hungry. Somewhere in midnight, 11:30, 12 is the time. I'm a bit hungry and I want to eat something nice. I don't know how to cook. Then what is the right option? Order using Swiggy or hi, look at the smile on of you. Hi. Super. Swiggy and Zomato. Am I right? Suppose, consider one scenario. A customer, you understand? Customer means the one who is using the application. Agree? In case of Swiggy, if I am placing the order, am I not the customer? Agree? And who will cook food? I'll cook the food. No. Then restaurants, whichever restaurant I would have chosen, in that restaurant, there would be staff, those who want to cook the food. Agree? Am I right? Customer uses our application to place an order at the restaurant. Agree? Louder. Restaurant will cook and ensure to bring the food at my doorstep. Is it going to happen? I repeat. As a customer, I place an order. Restaurant people will cook and give the food at my doorstep. Is it going to happen? No. Then louder. A delivery boy or delivery partner must be there whose job is to go pick from the restaurant food parcel, pick from the louder and deliver at the customer doorstep. Am I right? I repeat, one customer, the one who is gonna place the order using our food delivery application. Agree? Somebody will receive restaurant, those who gonna cook the food. Agree? Am I right? And delivery partner gonna take the food parcel and deliver it to customer doorstep. Am I clear? Everybody? In that case, customer has placed an order, restaurant has cooked the food, delivery partner has picked the food from the restaurant and on the way to customer. Can I consider this scenario is very much easy to understand for each one of you guys? Yes or no? Faster. I repeat the scenario. Customer has placed an order using our food application. Restaurant has prepared it and delivery partner has picked that food parcel and about to deliver at the doorstep of the customer. This scenario is clear to everybody. Online folks, quickly, faster. Clear? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Actually, I didn't want to do it, but I had to do it now. Now try. Try to speak up, guys. Hello? Unmute yourself. हो गई I mean, I didn't want to do it. I disabled the unmute button. 1 minute job it is. Anyways, focus. Funda is simple and straight, guys. Customer has placed an order. Restaurant is prepared it. Restaurant has received the order, prepared it. Delivery partner is on the way to deliver the food at the customer doorstep. Agree? Am I clear? Now our delivery partner is calling to the customer that I have arrived to your location. Agree? If customer is not responding, delivery partner reached to the address, trying to call the customer is not responding. Phone ring. Anna, don't respond. Customer is not responding at all. And please, you put your phone on mute, please. Okay. Customer is not responding at all. What to do? Call once again. Delivery partner should call once again. Called. No response. Now what to do? Call once again. Another? Yeah, please. Even if it is wrong. Make it another alternative number call. If there is an alternate number, call on that. Am I right? No, there is no alternate number. Now, message done. Sir, I'm waiting at your doorstep. No response came. No, wait. I'll make it simple and easy for you. I'll give you options. You choose and let me know. Am I clear? First option. Keep calling forever unless customer responds. If not today, someday he will respond. Don't give up. Focus on your goal. Keep trying. Practice. One. Second option. Let's call the restaurant and give the restaurant back. Agree? Third option. Leave the food parcel at the doorstep. Anyway, he's not responding. There is no point giving to the restaurant. It will not be that much hot and it cannot be served to other customers. Agree? Leave at the doorstep of the customer. Whenever customer open the door, food is right next to them. Job is done. Agree? I delivered them. You asked me to deliver, I deliver. I was supposed to call you, I called you 3 times. You didn't pick it at your doorstep. In your Janma, whenever you open the door, food is right next to you. Okay? Last option. See, customer is anyway not responding. There is no point giving back to restaurant. They are poor delivery guy. Working day and night. Hungry also. Let the poor enjoy. What do you say? Fourth option, let the delivery boy enjoy. I repeat all the scenarios. First scenario, keep calling. Give back to restaurant. Third option, leave at the doorstep of the customer. Fourth option, let our delivery boy have the meal. Did you understand all the 4 scenarios? What are the scenarios? What is the problem? Agree? Am I clear? Online students, are you all clear? Quick. Yes, sir. All of us are clear. So how many of you? Option 1, keep calling. Option 2, sir, give back to the restaurant. Very good. Option 3, sir, leave at the doorstep. Few people are there. Fourth, let the delivery boy enjoy. Come on, yaar. Be a little kind-hearted to the delivery boy. They should love our job. Come on. Fourth option, straight hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Better you respond 1, 2, 3, 4. So majority said 3, somebody said 2, somebody said 4. 3 and 4 is a tight competition is there, right? Somebody saying leave at the doorstep, somebody saying let the delivery boy enjoy. Am I right? Let me tell you those who said 3, leave at the doorstep. I called the customer after reaching to the address. Customer didn't respond. I left at the doorstep. I left the place also. After some time a dog came. Now customer is complaining, where the hell is my food? So third option, think again. Are you okay to face that situation? Or still you want to change? Option 4, let the delivery boy enjoy. Option 2, give back to restaurant. Option 1, keep calling. Think again with me. Option 1, nobody is interested to keep calling. Option 2, give back to the restaurant. Okay. Option 3, we have understood. Dog may eat it. He is not a customer. Our customer is a god for us. He is not a dog. Option 4, let the delivery boy enjoy. People have reduced now. Option 4 also. Good. Option 2. Okay. 2 and 4 is a tight competition now. I don't want to discuss all the scenarios and fail one by one. My question is simple to you. If you are an application developer of this food delivery application, in that case, option, do you have to take the decision by your own what should happen in what scenario, because business is yours? Pardon? I clicked it. Now customer is like, you might have clicked it. After clicking, you carried your food again back with you. Understood the scenario? I mean, what's your name, buddy? Maruti has asked a very good question. Sir, we can do one thing. We can leave at the doorstep. Take a picture that I have left it. Customer is like, you might have taken the picture, but food is missing. That means you might have collected back. Every doorstep will have a camera in Bangalore. If doorstep is not there, I mean, if camera is not there at your doorstep, don't place order from our application. Can we say like that, bro? Huh? No, right? Okay. But the funda is simple. Whichever option you have chosen or not chosen, my question is simple. Is your application, is it your business application? Somebody has built the business of food delivery. You are just building the software application. Since you are a software developer, which one is true? You're a software developer or you're the business owner? Louder, all of you are. SD for software developer, business owner, BO. Faster. SD, I mean short form. Guys, we will talk always in short form, no long form. Who will type this much? Whole class you have to keep typing. Okay, na? SD, SD, software developer, business owner, BO. Perfect. Very good. I reported now, but ultimately I have reported that customer is not responding. What to do is the problem of a delivery person. And being a software developers, our job is to decide what to do in this case. Am I right? No. We are software developers. Our job is whatever customer asks, client asks, our client, say for example, some company is there, say some nice food restaurant, say Bakasur. You understand Bakasur? Bakasur, one company is there, food delivery application is building. I should take the decision on behalf of Bakasur. I'll become Bakasur. I don't do. I am not a business owner. Let the business owner decide what to happen, what not to happen. We should have the clarity in every single scenario what should be done. We are not the decision makers of any of the business. Our job is what? You tell what you want to do in this case. Am I clear to everybody? Are we supposed to take decision by ourselves? Or whatever has asked, we should do it? Which one is better? Take the decision or do what is asked? Am I right? Everybody, do you also agree? Better do what is asked, yes or no? Quick. Yes, second option is better. The point is, before starting anything else, let's gather all the details of the requirement of the application. I repeat, what all needs to be done, that should be first known to us. As part of first phase, we gather every single detail of the application needs to be built. Am I clear? Requirement gathering. What is the purpose of the requirement gathering? To know every single detail about the application which needs to be built. That should be clear to us. Agree? I mean, later customer should not end up saying, hey, I didn't want this, I wanted that. Nah, whatever you want as part of one document, give it to us. That document is something called as, read with me, BRD or CRS. Am I correct? BRD stand for Business Requirement Document. Business to respond along with. Okay, na? Once again, loud and clear. Business Requirement Document or Customer Requirement Specification. Business Requirement Document or Customer Requirement Specification. In this document, every single detail of the application must be documented first. We should have the clarity about every single scenario before we start. Am I clear? Everybody, in this case, who are the people, those who want to do this activity? They are called BA or TA, business analyst. Those who know that business very well. Might be a food application business, might be a textile industry business, might be a fintech organization. Fintech, you understand? Fintech. Never heard fintech? Impossible. You are using fintech, let me tell you. Financial technology, some sort of financial activities are happening. You might be sending money to somebody. Phone Pay, GPay, Paytm, and many wallets would be there called like Amazon Pay, MobiKwik. Heard? These are what? Financial technology based applications. Agree? Okay, sir. Guys, hold on. I'll dictate every single detail. You don't need to write anything, guys. Chill. It's a movie going on. Relax. I'll tell you everything. Nothing will be missed. If not today, tomorrow I'll cover. Chill. Okay? Now, listen very carefully what I'm saying. There are specialists of every business. So whichever unit, business unit, application you are building, we need a business analyst from that area who can ask every single detail of the requirement. Am I clear? Then something called product analyst. Those who are technical people, those who know in order to build these applications, what are the challenges may come technologically. Business analyst or product analyst. They will ask all the detail about the application which we are supposed to build. Am I clear? Agree? Louder. So we are the people, those who want to develop the application, and there are people called business analyst or product analyst. These are the people who are going to write document called business requirement document, louder, or customer requirement specification. In this document, they will write every single detail about the application which needs to be built. Am I clear with this much? This first point is clear to everybody. Any confusion? Okay. Guys, are you all crystal clear? Quick. Shall I proceed now? Okay, guys. Second, since business requirement is clear to us, right? Let me proceed with the further activity. What do we need to do, sir? If business requirement is very much clear to us. Now, next, let me hear from, yeah? Online folks, can you please quickly respond? What would be the next activity? If you know. Yeah, I got it. Kanhaiya, I got it. Then we will do. What are we going to do next? Very good. Muhammad Ansari, good. And the point is, now we have to do analysis. Before starting, I'll give you ample amount of time. I'll dictate every single point. Guys, relax. People don't trust at all, huh? Guys, I'll give you every single dot dictation. Chill. Have trust on me. I'm not gonna hide anything from you. Everything I'm gonna do a full post-mortem next to you and make you write everything. Don't worry. Can I? Chaliye. Point is, we understood, sir, what needs to be built. That is clear to us. Now, before starting, we will do a little analysis regarding, sir, what will be the budget of the application? How much time is it there to build this application? What if customer is like, in 2 days, I want the application and requirement is too big? Can we deliver that on time? We need to analyze, right? How much cost might be involved? How many engineers would be and both of you guys stand up, fatafat, quick. Both of you stand up, fast. Name. Where are you from, both of you? Bangalore. Your college. CMR. Guys, if you're interested, sit. If you're feeling like really bored class, na, no problem, guys. I'll not feel bad. Door is open. I'll open the door for you all if you can. If you are not happy, you can walk out. Because boss, have a seat, both of you. Interested to continue or want to leave? Content, huh? You have to maintain the discipline in the class. You're not supposed to talk in between the class when I am explaining something. First day itself, let me clear. Let me tell you guys, for you, it's nothing but yet another classroom. We have attended so many classes. We have done so many courses. Thank you very much. Because let me tell you, I am damn serious about what my job is. And for you, it might not be a big deal. Just a class, another course. That's all. Fine. For me, it's a responsibility of entire family. Because one person gets the job, entire family financial problem will be sorted. It's for me, whatever I'm doing, it's for entire family, three meals a day. It's the matter of 3 meals a day for the entire family if you get the job on time. I have a great responsibility on my shoulder and I'm damn serious and committed about my work. I don't know about yours. If you're not interested, boss, I ensure doors are open. You can walk out, no problem. No issues at all. But I'll not tolerate misbehavior in my class. You have to understand you are in a class. Majority of us are here for a serious reason, that's to get the job. And others are focusing it. I expect you to. If you are not interested, your wish, your career. You do whatever you want. But don't disturb others. Can I expect this from you? I mean, we are engineering graduates, guys. I mean, anybody who's from non-engineering background, majority of us, at least graduate, we must have some common sense and decency while you are sitting in the class. If you're not interested, no problem. With a smile, I say goodbye, tata, and leave, please. But if you're here, you learn and let others learn. Don't disturb others. And I don't like doing it. By nature, I'm a pretty jolly person. I enjoy my classes. Teaching is something which passionates me, which excites me. I love what I'm doing here. If you're not happy, thank you. No problem. But if you're here, you have to maintain discipline. Without discipline, learning will not happen. I guarantee. Anybody has a problem with that? I don't want to see you guys talking once again if I'm explaining. Can I expect that? Sure? Chaliye. No problem. Let's get started. Moving forward, sir. First step, what we have learned, understood as part of SDLC. What is the first step? Arey, smile, yaar, tum log to itna, I'm not scaring you guys, but try to understand. You also have some decency. Come on. If everybody is talking in between, then who will listen to me? If you want to talk, tell, I'll give you a chance. Come over here. I'll sit and listen to you. Okay. Ready? Or scared? Pakka na? Let me tell you, if at all anybody is scared, I may look like a Dracula. Very nice person. I may look like a devil. You know, I'm a very good person, very jolly person, and you will have great fun with me. There is no doubt. But when I'm explaining, be a little serious about learning. Possible? Louder. Listen carefully. Okay, let's move forward. Software analysis. As part of software analysis, we have to analyze few things. What is the duration of the project would be? I mean, it should not happen that customer give a requirement, we say, after 5 years, I'll deliver the application. That should not happen. We should deliver in a reasonable amount of time. Let's see the budget of the application. How many engineers would be required? Because we require some people, those who work on the application. Agree? And these are the basic details we must evaluate first before proceeding. Because if so many people are required and budget is so tight, that also cannot be done. Agree? Am I clear? So there are few people involved in this activity called PM or PL. Sir, everywhere short form. While dictating, I'll write everything. I'll ensure you'll write everything. Okay? So few people called project manager or project lead will discuss all the technical aspects and try to document it as part of FRD, or I'm sure you would have heard SRS travels. It is nothing like that. SRS travels, and this has nothing to do with it. Pakana. FRD, functional requirement document, or software requirement specification. Am I clear? Everybody, simple activity. In this case, in this phase of SDLC, project manager, I expect you to respond along with me, guys. Project manager or project lead will list down every single analysis in a document called FRD, functional requirement document, or software requirement specification. This will be there, guys. You can't sit quiet. I'll not let you sit quiet. Is that okay? Chalega na? I ensure you, if I let you sit quiet for 15 minutes, I'm a very boring person. I'll make you fall asleep, especially in the afternoon after having a heavy lunch. You will fall asleep. Better keep responding along with me. You will be awake, active. Also, you'll learn. The only reason make you respond along with me is if at all you miss something, you give a wrong answer, I'll correct you then and there. Am I clear? Chaliye. 2 steps are clear. First is requirement gathering. Who are the people? Business analyst or product analyst. They will write a document which is a non-technical document, general document, where business requirement document or customer requirement specification will be there. This are non-technical document, of course, non-technical. Non-technical means those are not from CS industry. Agree, na? They might know something, but not expected to know. Over here, software analysis. As part of software analysis, what's going to happen, sir? We will analyze all the technical aspects of the application, like what would be the duration of the application, what would be the budget of the application, how many people required, what technology, everything. Am I clear? Sure. Who are those people? Project manager or project lead. Write a document, functional requirement document, or have to be keep responding. Okay. Now moving forward, whatever steps happen, every single step will follow this document, SRS or FRD, because every single step should be focusing on this, whatever functionality written in the function. Agree. Whatever functionality is written, that only should be taken care of. Agree. Now the point. Sir, I understood what needs to be built. We have done the basic analysis, what is all required, how much time, what is the budget, everything. Next, let's start building. Yes or no? No. Yes or no? No. No. Not so early. Wait a minute. No. Then what to do? Debashish, Mohanty, quickly respond. What to do next? Come on. Software. Next step is planning. Analysis/plan. Some books you might have learned planning, flow planning, or some would have learned analysis. What do you plan? How much time required? How many people required? How much is the budget? Analysis. Different book, different words are there. That's all. Am I right? Moving forward. Next. Perfect. Thank you very much. Next step is software designing. What do you mean by designing here? Why are we doing software designing? So it is going to work now. What do you mean by that? Simulation. Why for? Pardon? Why? Wait a minute, I'll get back to you. Yes, madam. Yes, sir. And they have done it. But why? What is the reason behind it? Why are we doing software designing? What are the courses? Process. What of the process? As part of the process, we are doing it. Okay. Yeah, madam was saying something. Okay. Perfect. Anybody else? Any other answer? Online students? Customer friendly interface to develop step-by-step process. Okay. Front end process, blueprint, perfect. Skeleton, structure, very good. Perfect. User interface. Yes, sir. Super. Now, in simple words, if I need to tell you, why are we doing this? Is to get the confirmation from the customer. What do you mean by confirmation from the customer? Whether, see, customer gave us requirement. We understood the requirement. But we understood something else. Customer gave something, we understood something else, and we have built it. Then, I didn't want this. Before starting itself, let's get the one cross check, one confirmation from the customer that whatever you told as part of louder, BID stand for business or customer, whatever you told as per our understanding, this is how your application would look like. These are the basic functionalities will be there. Am I right? Agree? Agree? A chotu blueprint has been created, a prototype has been created, which is a simulation which may act like the actual application, but not the real application has been built. I'm sure you would have seen, like, if a bigger building structure needs to be built, they will not directly start building a 10-floor story building. They create one prototype, one model design. Agree? Just to get the confirmation from the client, is it what you are looking for? Agree? All the technical details, business requirement detail, everything will be there, but not the actual application we are building right now. First, one model will be built, present into the customer. If customer says, no, change it. Let's change it in prototype. Don't tell me once everything is built, I want the basement to be on top. Entire building will collapse. Mama, you want whatever we will do in the design, our prototype. You tell you want to put the terrace in basement, we'll put it. You tell what is our problem. Are you getting my point? We will do all these activities where as part of the designing software. Am I clear? In this phase, are you telling me, sir, on basic actual applications, prototype will be created, a dummy model will be created. Agree? Agree? Who are these people? Sir, yes, good. Speak up. Perfect. Very good. See, guys, you attempt for it. If I am teaching something and if you know it, highly encouraging, you attempt for it. If it is wrong, we learn. If you know it, that's the best thing. Get it? So that is called either UI or UX developers. Along with, I would say, SA, software architect. Architect is one gonna design, no? Come on. Yes or no? Any structure can be designed by architect. So software architect will be there, or database administrator. What they do? They'll plan how the database structure will be there, where you're gonna store the data. So I don't understand these terms. Don't worry, these are designations. Few roles are there, different roles are there in IT. Am I clear? Okay, sir. Shall I start from the beginning? What all happened till now? Ready? First part, as first activity as part of the SDLC. By the way, SDLC stand for Software Development Life Cycle. First step is requirement gathering. What do we do as part of this phase of SDLC? First, all the details of the application will be collected from the customer and documented as part of the business requirement document or customer requirement specification. Who are these people? Business analyst or product analyst. Am I clear? We have gathered all the details. What is the business all about? Agree? Then we have done software analysis or planning. What? How much is the duration of the project? How many people required to build this application? Or budget? Am I clear? Agree? Who are these people? Project manager or project lead. Agree? Next, what are the document called as? Functional requirement document, software requirement specification. Sir, earlier also one document was there, here also one document. Is there any difference? Yes. This was a pure non-technical document. No technical aspect was involved. In this document, few technical aspects like what is the language, programming language or the technology gonna be used, what would be the size of the database, and what is the server we are gonna host it. Or I don't understand these numbers. Will come moving forward. Some technical details will be there. But here, pure non-technical. Agree? Next step, software designing. As part of the software designing, we'll create one prototype, a dummy model, simulation. Am I clear? Why? Why are we doing it? To get the confirmation from the customer. What customer? What confirmation? Requirement and the application, are they in sync? Our software must function as per the louder functional requirement document. If it is exactly functioning as per the FRD, then yes, we are on right. Agree? Am I clear? Everybody? Online folks, CC, if you understand, crystal clear. CC. CC, let me see CC. Few people. And everybody is not responding, guys. Let me tell you, movie nahi chal rahi hai. You have to be responding along with us, guys. So that I get the confirmation you are learning, not playing PUBG. Okay? Chaliye. Good. Thank you very much. And when you type CC, it gives me a motivation that we are doing a good job. All three steps, crystal clear. 100%. No confusion at all. In that case, we know what to be done. We have done the planning. We have got the confirmation. Now next, let's get started with the louder. Next step would be definitely software louder. Who are these people called as? Either developers or called as programmers or called as, am I right? Hey Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Now earlier my height was quite less. Now today only I grew up by 1 feet. I'm writing everything out of the focus, and I'm sure online people will be like, this guy always write out of the focus only. So little down I'm writing. Perfect. Now no problem. And in between you might have observed while I'm writing on the board, railgadi also continues. I don't write on the straight line. Do you feel it? Sir, excuse me if you feel like that. Okay. By the way, before anything else, since first class is there, readable, not readable? Pakka. See, if it is not readable, let me know. Because I wanted to become a doctor. And as per a doctor, very good handwritings are there. My parents made me engineer was. But readable, pakka na? Have to manage here. A few places you have to compromise, guys. Okay? Chaliye, software. Next, our face is what? Okay, sir. Oh, visible. People are called faster developers, programmer, or same name is there, different style of calling it. Ultimately, they do all something coding or programming, same thing. Agree? Coding is just typing the code. Programming is like executing everything end to end. That is the only difference. But more or less everything is correct. Agree? So can I say this is the actual phase of SDLC? This is the actual step of SDLC where application is being built. Till now we have done what? What have we done till now? Time pass. Pure time pass. No, we have not done because we are what? We are programmers, boss. Agree? Arey, even if you're not today, I'll make you here. Do you trust me for that? Too early to judge. Wait for a few days. Then you decide. Don't take the decision in the excitement. Nahi bhai, it's a matter of your career. Your parents' hard-earned money is involved. If you are serious about your career, please study, focus well. Matter of few days, then you decide. Okay. Chaliye, moving forward. Can I say software application would be built in this phase by writing the programs? Agree? And we are the one, we come into this phase. Till now, other people were there. Now our role comes into the existence where we are gonna build the actual application. Am I clear? Agree? Everybody? Online folks, are you all clear? Very good. Software requirement specification. Let me listen to the few chats. Can anyone tell me the DB full form? Database administrator, I already told it. Okay. Yes, Darshan, margin was there, but the point is my height today only increased a bit. I'll correct it, buddy. No problem. Shall I proceed now? Okay. Now, next phase of SDLC says, pardon? Testing. Why testing? Our application, whatever we have built, should work as it was supposed to be working in. See, everybody, I told you, after this step, everybody focus on one thing, FRD or SRS. Our application prototype must function as per the requirement specification, software requirement specification. Agree? Our code, whatever we have written, that must function exactly same as written in the functional requirement document. Agree? Am I clear? If everything has been built, directly we can't give it to the client. Reason? We trust ourselves. We know ourselves. Whatever work we have done might have some issues. If we directly go and give it to the client, embarrassment might be there. Agree, na? So before giving it to somebody else, let's have a test drive. Agree? Or shall I directly give it? I mean, bombarding may happen. So better we will do one round of. Sir, you said software testing is not that. But I didn't say that job itself is gone. But requirement has been reduced a lot because of agile. We will discuss moving forward if you don't know. Okay? Software. But jobs are still there in now. Let me tell you, as a software tester, fresher openings are there. We will discuss further moving forward. Is that okay? What are these people will do? No. Spoil our life. We are programmers, whatever we have built it, they should say, yes, good job. No, something is wrong there. Something is wrong here. This is not working. That is wrong. These are the people who have nothing to do in life. They don't do any work. Whatever work we have done, hey, problem is there. Hey, this is not working. Understood? These people have nothing to do else apart from bugs will be there. They will find out the mistakes in the software development, whatever be. Agree? Am I clear? By the way, what are you aspiring for? Software developer or software tester? Developer. Everybody, let me ask you how to become a good developer. Hello? Who is speaking in between here? Anna? Anna, now speak. You should write a code. We should not be having any bug. Agree? How to know? How? As see, whatever I wrote is absolutely fine. Even Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh comes, they can't find any issue. Oh, I'm a pro coder. Come on. Others. Let me give you one simple scenario. Suppose, forget about, you are aspiring for software developer and all. Suppose I want to become a good, a very competent thief. Thief, you understand? Chore, Daku, Gunda. How to become a good thief in my life? If I steal something, nobody should be able to catch me. Yes or no? Come on, guys. Or you don't understand this much, huh? All of your super. You understand thief? If I want to become a good thief, how to become a good thief? Can you please suggest me something? Wait, one by one. Yes, Anna. Anna is very excited about the becoming thief. Yes. Oh, mama, this is next level. Others, somebody else. I should not get caught by the cop or the police. Agree? If I have to become a good thief, don't leave any footprints so that I get caught by the cop. Agree? Pakka? How do I know that? How come police will get to know or not? I have to think like a police. Agree? If being a thief, I'm stealing something, I have to think like a thief, how they may trace. Agree? Louder? Pakka? Vice versa. Now I want to become a police guy. How do I become a good police guy? A very competent one, very think like a Arre wow, super. You think like a thief. What are the possible ways to escape? Then I can catch that thief. Agree? To become a good thief, I have to think like a police. Similarly, if you want to write a code which does not have a bug, better you think like a. If you want to become a good tester, think developers usually make mistake. Where all? Am I right? Agree? Before getting into the full-time training, I was an IT guy. I started my career in 2011 from IBM. What were you doing in 2011? College, school? By that time, I started my career with IBM as a software developer, and I had a decades of experience in IT. Apart from that, I was teaching also. Then later I realized that teaching is something excites me, so I left my career and I'm standing next to you to torture. People, those who smiled, I believe they agreed. I'm torturing you. Wait for a few days. Chaliye, moving forward. Can I say basic? Overall, one thing is clear. As part of Wawa, very nice. As part of SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle. Madam, stop writing. Focus here, please. Everything. And you will not be having much space over there, whatever you wrote. Wait, focus. So, as part of SDLC, there are few phases we understood. First is loud and clear. Requirement gathering. Respond. Requirement gathering. RG, at least you type online, folks. So, first phase of SDLC is requirement gathering, where we get to know all the details of the application, what needs to be built by us. Agree? Am I clear? And this, whatever activity is happening to get the clarity about the application. Am I correct? Agree? Come on, guys, you have to put some energy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Arey, yaar, come on. You all are youngsters. Agree? So as I. Chalo, moving forward. First step is requirement gathering, where we get all the details of the application, what needs to be built. And we document it somewhere, because later customer should not say, I didn't say this. Better document everything. And this document, who are the people those who are going to build this document? They are called BA or PA, business analyst or product analyst. They will write a document which is absolutely non-technical document called as business requirement. Loud and clear, everybody. Business requirement document or customer requirement specification. As part of this document, they'll gather all the details about the application. Agree? Which is a technical, non-technical? Non-technical. Now, technical terms will be introduced as part of software analysis or planning, where we will analyze how much is the time duration required, how many people required, what database, what server, all the technical aspect will be planned, everything over here. Agree? For this technical work, we need technical people like project manager or project lead. They will write a technical document called, loud and clear, guys, once again, FRD stand for functional requirement document or software requirement specification. Am I clear? Now, any further activity will happen based on this document. Agree? Next activity, before building the actual application, we'll create one prototype, a simulation model to get the confirmation from the client, whatever his requirement and our understanding, is it sync or not. Agree? Who are these people? UI UX developer or software architect, database administrator. Agree? Am I clear? Once this much prototype is done and we got the confirmation, we are ready to start the actual software development. In this phase of SDLC, what is actually happening? In this phase only, software application is being built, where developer, programmer or coder will do programming in order to build the application. Am I clear? Everybody? Okay, sir. Once the application has been built, shall I directly give it to the customer? No. We have to ensure, is it really functioning as per the FRD or not? Agree? For this, there is a specialized team called software tester or called QAE. Quality assurance engineers, those who are going to ensure our software application has been functioning as per the FRD. Am I clear? Also known as software or buggers, those who raise the bugs. Shall I move now? Sir, we have built the application. We have tested it's working absolutely fine. Let's now modify things. Everything is working. Let's kick something and make it do not work. Pardon? Deliver to the point. Bugs came, we have fixed it. Everything sorted. I am not getting in the details. As part of software software testing, there is something called UAT. Heard? User acceptance testing. Done. User said, hey, everything good. Now I'm asking. Testing done. See, when I'm saying software development done, means what? Our application is working exactly as per the functional requirement, as per the development team. Then specialized team will come. Those who are expert in finding out the bugs, as per the FRD, they will do load testing, performance testing. Agree? Many activities they will do. Unit testing they will do, black box, white box. Then UAT they will perform. Regression will happen. After all this, finally customer says, yes, everything is fine. Then what to do? Are you understanding my point? All the activity, we got the green flag from the customer. Customer said ready to launch. Next. Now we have to do what is software Am I right? Software where we gonna hand over the application to the customer. Am I right, guys? Everybody online, folks, faster. Do you agree? And what is the activity we are gonna do over here? Deployment, or basically launching the application. Agree? Who are these people? Customer will deploy. Coder will do the coding. project. How? Who are those people called? Very good, engineer. Human beings, sir. Aliens will not do it, sir. Perfect. I thought aliens will do that. There is something called infrastructure team. In few latest terms, you might have heard something called heard. Agree. There is a special role into our software industry called developer plus operations. Those who do both the activity, development as well as deployment. But strictly speaking, there is something called infrastructure team, server admins, database admins. Able to understand? There is a dedicated team. Storage admin is there. Application server management team is there. These are the people, those who are collectively called as infrastructure team. I'm not writing full form, but hope you understand. Infra team means infrastructure team where admins are there. Server admin, database admin. Am I clear? Application admin. Agree? System admin and so on. Agree? What is forever? 24/7 by 365. Application is up and running. Whose responsibility? Infra team. Am I clear? Everybody? Everything done. Thousands, millions, billions users are using our application as soon as it is launched successfully. Am I clear? Next, anything or done? Monitoring or maintenance. Next activity is last activity actually. Sir, you are keep on doing next. Next is okay now. What are we going to do in this case? We are going to do future enhancement. What do you mean by future enhancement? If tomorrow there is a new requirement comes, then somebody should handle that. Agree? Future enhancement. Who are these people, sir? Read with me. Software support engineers. Who are these people called? Software support engineers. Those who gonna do future enhancements. Or say, for example, a car has been built. Everything is working. We have sold the car. Customer is using it. Tire puncture. Chotu motu bug fixes are there. Screw tight issue. Or future enhancements. Modifying the car and so on. Agree? Nothing much. We have built it. They'll be doing a little bit chotu motu patchwork. Am I clear? Everybody? Online folks, all the steps are crystal clear. Faster. Done. Great. Wait a minute. Before you proceed further, if you don't mind, close your notebooks. I need your 5 minutes of undivided attention, guys. Just for 5 minutes. Padafat. Ready? Online folks, are you ready? Hello. Software support engineer. Guys, don't worry, Mohammed. I'll discuss everything. I'll make you write it. Hold on. Listen carefully. We are running out of time. Is that okay if I do the dictation tomorrow? I'll not run away. Pakka, I'll do the dictation tomorrow. We'll start with the dictation only. Is that okay? Pakka. Moving forward, I wanted to have a quick revision about it, if you don't mind. I'll explain everything. You just sit and listen. And if at all any gap is there, let me know. Shall I start? Everybody, louder. Are you ready? Sir, SDLC. Standard steps to build a application. Standard steps to be followed in order to develop a software application. First thing is clear. As part of SDLC, total 7 steps are there. First step is meant for requirement gathering. As part of requirement gathering, we will gather all the details of the application, what needs to be built, in which scenario, what action needs to be taken, all the scenarios, all the combinations, every single detail we will gather from the customer and document it somewhere. Why? For future, any confusion, we will refer to the requirement documents. So there are few people called business analyst or product analyst, those who gonna write a document which is absolutely a non-technical document. In that document, they'll list down all the details of the application which needs to be built. This is nothing but the software requirement application. software requirement gathering, where all the details of the application has been documented, non-technical aspects. Am I clear with the first step? Everybody? Second activity, sir. As part of the second phase, we are gonna do the software analysis or planning. As part of software analysis or planning, we need few technical people like project managers and the project leads, those who are good and expert in the technological aspects, and they will do all the detailed analysis like how many people required to build the application, how much is the duration, how much is the cost of the application, and they will create one technical document, nothing but called FRD or SRS. FRD stands for functional requirement document. SRS stands for software requirement specification. This document is something which will be followed for all the further steps moving forward. This is the second step called software analysis or software planning, where all the technical aspects have been listed. Clear? Second step clear? Online folks, second clear? Yes. Sashi Ramakrishnan, we will definitely share the recordings. You'll get it. Don't worry. Shall I move forward? So, software requirement gathering, we have gathered what needs to be built. Software requirement analysis or planning, we have got to know what all the technical aspects of the application, which technology should be used, what database should be used. All the details are done. Before actually building the application, let's create one prototype, one dummy model to get the confirmation from the client. Whatever we understood or about to build, is it the same whatever the customer is expecting? In this phase, UI UX developers, database administrator, most important, software architect will design and showcase to the customer. If customers make some change, no, I don't want it, make something change here and there, then we will again start from the requirement. What is the requirement change? We will start again. Then we will do the technical analysis. If such a big change is there, then aspect will, it may impact the development time and the cost of the project. One. Then we will again create a dummy and show, yes, sir, everything correct. Once we get the confirmation that yes, this is what needs to be built, then we will move forward towards actually building the application by software development, where developers, programmers, coders will do the programming and build the actual application. Once application has been built, we cannot directly give it to the customer. Application has been built as part of software development. Can I say this much? Till 4. Everybody clear? Sure. Software application has been built, but we cannot directly give. And before that, we need a specialized team called QAE or software testers, those who want to ensure by raising bugs if at all any issues are there. They will do a proper load testing, performance testing, and various testings they'll perform just to ensure things are working fine as per the FRD or SRS. If everything is working fine, then we will ensure to deploy the application, which can be made available to all the customers over the globe. Once software application has been deployed, it is ready to be used by everybody. All the customers can use it. And in this case, there is a special team called infrastructure team, called admin team or DevOps team, those who want to deploy the application on the server. Once the application is deployed, things are ready to be used by all the customers. Later, in future, few enhancements come or some chotu-motu bugs comes. Then for that activity, we have a team called, for that next activity is software maintenance. In the software maintenance, we will have people called software support engineers, those who want to do future enhancements or some bug fixes. All 7 steps. Understood? Raise your hand. Padafat. Everything, all 7 steps. Clearly. Online folks, how about you people? Thank you. Understood everybody? Crystal clear? No confusion? No doubt? Louder. I don't care. Why? Why? Because the point is, I am not happy yet. I need a response from each one of you, whatever I'm going to ask now. If you understood everything, you should be able to answer everything. Then I'll get the confirmation, yes, you are really understanding. Agree? Shall we start? Sir, standard steps which needs to be followed in order to build a application, software application. That steps are called as SDLC. Stand for total how many phases are there? In the one phase where all the details of the application needs to be gathered and documented, that phase is nothing but requirement gathering. People, those who gather all the requirement, they are called either BA or PA. analyst, or they will write a document which is a non-technical document called as business requirement document or perfect. Here done. There is a phase where we gonna analyze every single detail, what database should be used, what server should be used, how many people required, what is the budget, what is the time duration. This phase is called as, who are these people? They will write a technical document called as FRD, functional, or SRS, software. Once every single aspect has been analyzed, planning has done, then we will create one dummy model. That dummy model is nothing but software designing. This phase is nothing but called software designing. People, those who are involved, UI UX developers, software architect, administrator. Am I right? Once we got the confirmation from the client that yes, everything is accurate, there is no problem, then we are going to do actual software development as part of software development. People, those who are involved, called developers, programmers, or coders. They do exactly programming, build the application. Agree? Since the application has been built, shall I directly deliver? Why? Testing must be done. As part of software testing, there is a dedicated people called as quality assurance engineers, or they will do the testing. If any issues are there, they'll be raising bugs. Agree? Then development team will fix it. Once again, testing will happen. Some other bugs, development team will fix it. This will continuously keep going unless they have get the confirmation from the end user. That is called UAT. Am I right? Done. Everything is done, sir. Now next, let's deploy the application and made it available to be used by all the customers across the globe. Agree? How much time duration? How long they should be available? 24/7/365. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. Am I clear? It has to be up and running. Who will ensure? Infrastructure team. Agree? Am I clear? Till everything is done, sir. After that, what is the importance of software maintenance? Reason is upcoming future enhancements or some bug fixes. For that, we have a team called software support engineers. Am I clear? Everybody? So then tell me one phase where the actual software development is being built. Software. Tell me a phase where the prototype will be created. Tell me a phase where the bugs will be raised. Tell me a phase the non-technical document will be written. Tell me a phase where the actual application will be live to all the customers. Okay, so tell me a phase where actual technical analysis will be happening. Software analysis. Tell me a phase where future enhancements will be built. Tell me a phase where all the issues will be raised by the quality assurance team. Software testing. Tell me a phase where first time any technical discussion is happening. First time. That is software analysis. Agree? Anybody who says I didn't understand anything about SDLC, straight hand. Understood? 100%. Louder. Ready? If at all in interview today itself, being asked SDLC, are you ready? Sure. So today, nothing programming happened as discussed, as promised. Tomorrow also nothing programming will happen, guys. Chill. For a few days, we'll have fun. Later programming has to be done. We are here for programming only. Agree? Don't worry. Slowly, gradually, step by step, I'll move. Like a baby, we will take baby steps, and I'll ensure whatever gonna be discussed, you will understand every single dot of the every single program, but not from the day one. From the day one, 20 things are written in a program. I'll expect you to focus on smallest unit, one area. Let you gain the confidence, let you understand everything about that one area. Then I'll start exploring my hands. Am I clear? But till now, everybody understood? Sure? Then see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be doing something called history of Java. We'll be discussing one of the most important aspects what is the history of Java, or basically why Java is called Java, why it has a logo, whichever logo is there, why that logo has come, who has built it, when does the officially Java has been released to the market. All that we'll be discussing tomorrow. Tomorrow is a damn interesting class. Interesting class. That means both programming is not. Chill. You'll have great fun. And of course, even if you're from a computer science industry, I am sure that you will learn something new as part of the history of Java and why Java is so popular in market that still it is booming like anything. But can I give you one chotu task? Louder. All you need to Google birth date of Java. Birth date of Java means when officially Java was released. You go to Google, type birth date Java. That's all. You tell me that and who built it. Exact date. Let's discuss tomorrow. Who built it? Organization name. What is done in that? Stanford University Network. We will discuss. यार, shall I discuss now itself? Shall I start? चलो भाई शुरू करें. अरे, you will be bored यार. One day itself, I don't want to pour everything on your head. Tomorrow is a day, na? Or excited now itself? अरे, this much interesting Java is not. I am sure about it. Relax. We'll start tomorrow. Any problem? Not today only, sir. नहीं ना? हाँ, relax. बैठो आराम से, कल करते हैं ना discuss. Task is official release date of Java. Second, who is the founder or the owner of the Java, who built the Java. Agree? Also known as popularly father of Java. You find out. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Also the logo of the Java, because tomorrow all these things we'll discuss. Super interesting stories there. Why Java is called Java and why still it is dominating in market. That all of us taking our career towards Java. More than 50% of software industry, not just 50%, I would say more than 70% of software industry evolve around Java only. Either directly on the Java technology or some tool which is built on Java. Say Selenium, built on Java. Salesforce, built on Java. You name every next software is built on Java. Why Java is so popular, so dominating, and has been always as a top 3 language. There is something which we will discuss. Chalega? Okay. By the way, yes, now people of online can raise the concern. I am listening to you. Okay. Ram, why, if I ask? Done? Wait a minute. Let me show you. If you have not marked your attendance, then for online folks, let me share the screen with you all so that you will be able to mark your attendance. And offline students, I'll share the QR code with you. If at all you could not mark your attendance, there is a QR code will be displayed to you guys. Hold on. Anna. Anaya. Are you only? What's your name? भा 2 मिनट रुकते क्या तुम्हें? थोड़ा सा बोलना था मेरे को. बोलो. With your permission, Anna. I'm gonna show the QR code. If you have not marked it, please scan it. For scanning, ensure use your Google Lens. Go to Google. There is a lens option next to the mic. Click on that. You'll be able to scan the QR code, which I'm going to show you now. Ensure to fill your details. Shall I start? Now you can talk. I'm done with my work. You can continue talking. If anybody has a doubt online, please raise your concern in chat, please. And I'm done with the today's discussion. So see you tomorrow, same time, without fail. Ensure to come. I'll show you. That's it for the day. We understood about SDLC. Tomorrow we'll start with the dictation of SDLC. Then we'll understand a little bit about Java. What is Java all about? Why Java is so popular? And few basic details about the Java. Tomorrow we'll do it. But that's it for the day. Tata. Bye bye and namaskara. Pardon? Arey, hold on, Anna, yaar. You are to definitely take it now. I have to switch off lights actually. That is why. 1 minute. Now visible? No visible. Not visible. Yes, Sakendra, kindly raise your concern, buddy, in chat. Let me read the chat. Link is for sir. Link is for the attendance, bro. Nothing much. Yes, somebody was raising concern. Yes, Sasi Ramakrishnan. Were you there in the beginning of the class? So overall, I told it. Moving forward, every single areas I'll be keep deep diving it. If you have already marked the attendance, that's it for the day. You can drop the call. I mean, there are people, those who joined a little late. For them, I am showing the QR. Yes, yes, Varsha madam, Vasa Rani, you will get the recordings, everything. You'll be giving the link. Thank you, buddy. Most welcome. Initial few days, recordings will be shared for sure. Don't worry. Any group for this training? Yes, you just ensure to submit the attendance. We'll share the detail of a group with you guys. Or let me check if it is already there. Okay, guys. That's it. Shall I end the meeting, guys? Online folks, if you are done with the marking attendance. Shall I end the meeting? Yeah, great. Thank you, buddy. Have a great day ahead, you too. Bye-bye.